Thank you very much, yeah. Good, Italian, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, Luke Rines. Luke Rines is back. So what you're going to learn here today is how do you remove the old spark plugs from the Ducati S2R 1000 Super Naked. You're going to learn that here today at Luke Rines. Yeah.
It's showtime.
So, bit carboned up, isn't it? The electrode's quite black. Why the iPhone just won't focus? It's supposed to be an iPhone. Be intelligent. Yeah, it's a bit black. So you're going to do the same. If you can, use a hand tool. Use a hand tool. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh, that spark plug just came out really easily. And then just undo it. See what we've got. Whoa, black, blacky. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's a black one. Whoa. So all you need to do is that one came off. Okay, so remember, big tool. It's nice that spark plug's easily accessible. What a massive cylinders these are. Let's see if it will just come off with this tool. No. We need a ratchet. Let's try again. Got a ratchet. Reason why we're using a ratchet is because it can put down more force. More force and more power. Spark plugs decided to come out really easily. Be careful not to whack into the beautiful clutch, crank, whatever, the engine casing. At this point we can actually just move it by hand. Wow, that one's black. Oh, look at that one. That one's been burning, hasn't it? Yeah. This one's a bit more trickier to film. This is on the top cylinder. So let's undo it. Because we're close to the frame, we're using it as an extension because we don't want the tool to whack into the frame or into that carbon fibre and do any unnecessary damage. No, we need the ratchet. I was hoping I could get away with it just by hand tightening it. Sorry, hand undoing it at that point. Now we can. Okay, that one's coming out. It's interesting, isn't it? Because these top spark plugs seem to feel like the threads are shorter. Oh, black. Before you start any work when it comes to mechanics, make yourself a cup of coffee and a cup of tea because you're going to need the energy. parts is back, is we are going to attempt to reinstall cam covers. Cam covers on the S2R 1000 Super Naked are a bugger. This horizontal one here, this horizontal one is an absolute bugger. It really is. Really got to push. Wow, so close. Fuck, it's got to stop. Of course it's got to stop. Of course it has. Of course it has to get stuck. Oh, it's got to get tight. Oh, come on, baby, come on. Oh. Alright. Oh, look at that. Ducati engineering. So what we did there is, in order to fit the horizontal cam belt cover, you've really got to pull on this oil line. But you're probably wondering, oh no, what about stressing this line? Well, one, it's a work of art. It's very pretty high quality. You can see the braiding going on here. But also the oil cooler is on a flexible joint. So this oil cooler will actually move on its rubber bushings. So you can pull it back and you're not going to do any damage or any potential, cause any potential problems. So that's good. Now you need the horizontal. And just slide it down. Slide it down till you're happy. And there you go. Now you need the correct tools. So what you're going to need is a Torx 5mm, and you use these short bolts. This top piece here. What you're going to do, as long as you're happy, now we're going to bring down. Oh, that's stunning colours. Let's go about Seki down. Oh, where's that go? Oh, nobody knows. Got a drain off thingy. Let the fuel tank down nicely. Just let it down nice and slowly. It will rest down on its own accord. And then, actually, that's the trick, isn't it? So what you got to do, you got to get this. Gotta get the clip. Right, yeah, got to push in the clip. Clippy part. Here, around the ignition shroud, are 2 studs, and you'll need to fit 2 nuts. Luckily, these are pretty straightforward, so you could actually start fitting the nuts by hand, just to lock them in. Make sure the shroud's pushed down, and then just get them on initially, and then use a tool.
Cool.
Be using a 10mm socket to tighten up the nuts. The nuts are pretty straightforward. They don't need to be super tight. They just need to be hand tight, like so. Okay, that's as tight as they need to be. They don't need to be any tighter. Be careful with the red Ducati paint. Okay, that's the fuel tank down, and should be in place. Take away soft material and your other thing as well. Put them down, and then you're going to take the rear cowl and the seat. And then slide them down into the fuel tank. Push the seat forward and the rear cowl, and there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody at Luke Rides. The only tricky part is the getting the belt covers out of the way to remove 2 of the spark plugs because of the way Ducati have positioned them. It's not easy to get to. Once you do that, it's pretty straightforward. Hopefully this has helped you. Thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Luke Rides, of course, needs a signature coffee. Coffee good, yeah. Oh, yeah. Brilliant.